Hello my dear children, today we are going to do new lesson and that is lesson number 13, use of in front, behind and between. Okay, now first of all I am going to tell you what means in front. When you are standing in front, that is called in front, and behind means at the back. Yes, when you are in front we call it in front and behind means at the back, and between means when two person are there and in between you stand, that is called between. Two people are there and if you are in the middle we call it between. When you are standing first, it is in front. When you are last, it is back, and when you are in middle we call it, yes, between. So now here we are having a picture of a cat. Now can you see the box there? Yes, and where is the cat? Yes, cat is in front. So what we are going to say? In front of. She is in front of a box. So here we are going to read it as the cat is in front of box. What we are going to say, children? The cat is in front of box. What we are going to say? The cat is in front of box. Now here next picture we are having, that is a picture of a box. And now here, can you see cat? Where it is, children? Yes, the cat is behind. It is at the back. So when the things are at the back, what we say? We call it behind. So what we are going to say, children? The cat is behind a box. What we are going to say, children? The cat is behind a box. When you see the picture, children, it will be clear to you. See, here is a box and here the cat is in front. So we are going to say in front of box. Now here we are having another picture. But where is cat, children? Yes, she is at the back. So we are going to say behind. The cat is behind a box. Now here we are having two boxes. Here we are having only one box. But here two boxes are there. And where is the cat? Correct, she is in the middle. So what we are going to say here, children? The cat is between two boxes. Here are two boxes, not one, but there are two boxes. And the cat is between that box. So we are going to say the cat is between two boxes. Now children, here we are having one activity. Okay, so we are going to do that activity. So for that you have to see the picture properly. When you see the picture, it is very easy for you to do, right? Okay, so all of you look here. Okay. First of all, tell me what you can see in this picture. Correct, there is a cup and one spoon is there. Okay, now tell me, where is the spoon? Yes, it is in front. Cup is there and in front of that cup we are having a spoon. So what we are going to say? We are having three options here. In front of, behind. Behind means back. And between. Between means middle. So can you see where is the spoon? Yes, it is in front of cup. So what we are going to do, children? Yes, we are going to do tick mark over here. Now look at the next picture. Yes, here we are having two cups. Okay, here only one cup was there, but here we are having two cups. And where is the spoon? Correct, it is in middle. When anything, it is in middle. What we say, children? Yes, we say between. So here again three options we are having: in front of, behind and between. So what we are going to put tick over here? Correct, we are going to put tick between because spoon is between two cups. Right, now here we are having cup and again spoon we are having, but this time where is the spoon? Yes, it is at the back. Means when the things are at the back, what we say? Yes, we say behind. Okay, so here we are having again three options, that is in front, behind and between. So what we are going to tick? Correct, we are going to tick behind. Okay, so now after this exercise we are having a conversation. So all of you look here, and this I already told you before. Conversation is a dialogue between two people. When two people talks, we call it a conversation. And here we are having conversation between a teacher and a student. Okay, so teacher, Now teacher is asking something to her students. Teacher, Raj, can you say where is the cat in the first picture? Yes. Do you remember that first picture? There was a box and there was a cat. But in first picture, where was the cat? Correct. The cat was first. So we call it when the things are in front. In first, we call it a front. Okay. So what this one is saying, Raj is answering? Yes. Raj is saying yes. He is saying yes. Miss, I know the answer. Yes, I know. The cat is in front of box. Where was the cat? The cat is in front of the box. Now, Seema, in second picture, now teacher is asking Seema, in second picture, where was the cat? And what Seema says, you know, in second picture, cat is behind the box. Behind means at the back. So she says, in second picture, the cat is behind the box. Now Rima, now she is asking Rima. And in third picture, where was the cat? Yes, there were two boxes. And where was the cat? In middle. So when somebody is in middle, we call it correct, between. So she says, and in the third picture, cat is between two boxes. There are two boxes and in the middle, that is in between, that is a cat. So teacher say, correct, very good. When you answer well, what teacher says? Correct, very good. So children, now you know when we say in front, when we say behind, and when we say between. When the object is there and the other object is in front, we call it in front. When one object is there and the thing is at the back, we call it behind. And there are two things, and anything in the middle, we call it between. So next time children, when we meet, I am going to ask you when we use in front, behind and between. And you all are good children, so study well and prepare well. Thank you.